How to contact Robinhood customer service. If you're having issues with your Robinhood account or just need some help, you've probably wondered how to get in touch with the customer service. Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to contact Robinhood's customer support so you can get the help you need quickly. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to robinhood.com, or alternatively, if you have a Robinhood account application, you can simply download it and make sure you're logged into your account before you reach out. Once you're in the app, simply tap on the profile icon and to access your account, or if you're in the Robinhood website, simply sign up. Or here at the three horizontal bars, you can also find an option that says support. Simply tap on it. Now, Robinhood has a great help center where you can search for articles or solutions related to your issue. Before contacting customer support, try typing in your issue in the search bar to see if it's something that can be resolved right away. If you still need assistance, you can simply contact Robinhood directly through the support system. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page and simply tap on Contact Us option. Here you can simply find an option that says contact us after you sign into your account. And Robinhood's live chat support is available for most users, and it's a fast way to get in touch with customer service agent. Now, if chat isn't available for you, you can always email Robinhood support team at support@robinhood.com. Now, Robinhood does not offer phone support to all users. However, if you're eligible for phone support, you can find the phone number through your app or account settings. And that's it. You now know how to get in touch with Robinhood customer service.